This is Claude Code building a working app, and nobody is touching the keyboard. I've spent over 300 hours with this tool, and I'm going to compress everything that actually mattered into the next 5 minutes. 7 lessons, and fair warning, the last one is the reason most AI code never ships. Almost nobody does it. But first, the mistake that burns everyone's first 50 hours. Using it like a chatbot. Type a wish, get some code, paste the error back, pray. The people shipping real products don't write better prompts than you. They build a system around the agent, and that system has 7 parts. Here's part 1. Context. The agent is exactly as smart as what's in its window, and that window is a workbench, not a junk drawer. Give it one short file, claude.md, your rules, your commands, nothing else. Between tasks, wipe the slate. One task, one context. The moment it starts forgetting mid-task, you've lost. And with a clean bench, lesson 2 is the one Anthropic's own engineers swear by. Never let it write code first. Make it explore your files. Make it write a plan you can actually read, and push back on that plan before a single line exists. Planning costs you 2 minutes. Bad code costs you the afternoon. Explore, plan, code, commit. That's the loop the people who built the tool run all day. Steal it. Lesson 3. Skills. Every time you explain the same thing twice, you're doing the agent's job. Write it down once. A skill is a tiny folder of instructions the agent loads only when the task needs it. Your deploy checklist, your code style, that one cursed API. Taught once, remembered forever. Most people stop here. The next 3 are where it compounds. Lesson 4. MCP, the plug that gives your agent hands. Real connections to your database, your browser, your design tools. No more copy-paste middleman. But here's what nobody says out loud. Every server you connect eats a slice of the context window. If a terminal command can do the job, use the terminal. Connect what you use, cut what you don't. Lesson 5. Subagents. And no, the point is not speed, it's memory. Each subagent opens its own clean context window, digs through the noisy work, and sends back only the answer. The mess stays over there. Your main thread stays sharp for decisions. One brain to orchestrate, many hands to dig. That's how a big codebase stops being scary. Now be honest, everything so far makes the agent capable. None of it makes it correct. Lesson 6. Loops. Write the test first. Watch it fail. Then tell the agent one thing. Make it green, and let it run. An agent with a target will iterate its way to working code. An agent without one just generates. Which brings us to the last lesson, the one that separates demos from products. The agent is only as good as what it can see. Pipe in the error, hand it the screenshot, point it at the logs. It will fix things blind prompting never could, because you can't debug what you can't observe. And neither can it. That's the whole secret. Now stack them. Clean context, plan first, skills for memory, MCP for hands, subagents for scale, loops for correctness, cite for truth. 7 parts, 1 system, an agent you can trust with real work. That's what 300 hours buys. You just got it in 5 minutes. So, which of the 7 are you skipping? Be honest. Drop the number in the comments. I read every one. And if you want the full setup, the files, the configs, exactly how the 7 parts fit together, that's on the channel. Follow so you don't lose it.